Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you can only profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Friday, February the 18th, typically a slow news cycle day, especially considering the fact that most Canadian markets are closed on Monday due to Family Day. Nonetheless, I've got 3 press releases out of Canada, another 3 out of China, so I'm not going to do all 6. If you're looking for the Chinese news, get to chinasecurities.com later today. We'll have the news up there, but let's get straight to the Canadian news. First up, from our friends over at Anglo Resources, trades on the venture under ASW in the U.S., ASWRF, and for our friends in Germany on Frankfurt under AMO. They announced that they intersected multiple high-grade gold veins, extending mineralized structures by more than 500 meters. This news actually came out yesterday. That's why we're reporting on it today. The company says these are from further results from the ongoing drill program at the Kenville gold mine property in southeastern British Columbia. 14 holes were drilled to date in this area. Looks like holes 19 and 20 were the furthest south, and both holes intersected multiple veins, many with high gold and silver values, the last one being over 500 meters south and 200 meters below the mine's production levels. You gotta love that. You see that extension. 26 gold assays were received from these 5 holes that graded at least 8 grams per ton of gold to a high of 142 grams per ton of gold. 13 silver assays range between 27.9 grams per ton of silver and 56.2 grams per ton. So great numbers. I've always liked this company. The company says the area delineated by this recent drilling is now considerably larger than the total production area of the original mine, and the drilling suggests that the veins are part of a large-scale mineralized system that Anglo Swiss is going to continue to systematically explore. If you don't know about this company, you should know about them. They're earning a majority interest in the 160 square kilometer Nelson Mining Camp, which is the host to the company's 100% owned Kenville gold mine property. That Nelson Mining Camp hosts numerous historical producing gold, silver, and copper mines, but it's a Kenville gold mine, their 100% owned Kenville gold mine, that I'm most enthusiastic about. Closed yesterday, 26 cents, 52-week range, 43 on the high, 15 on the low, market cap about $38 million. The company has yet, I believe, to achieve its full market valuation because it was involved in some pretty heavy litigation last year. That kept the company down. That's all been settled. It got settled in their favor. And as a result, on December 9th, you should know this just a couple months ago, they appointed David Constable to the board of directors. If you don't know who he is, you should find out who he is and go read that December 9th press release. He was part of Aquiline and Molly Mines before they had significant events. He's currently chairman at U308 and Rockcliffe Resources, and he's sitting on the board of Magma Metals and Wolf Mining. A guy like this doesn't waste his time unless he sees something there. I like Anglo Swiss. In fact, I'm taking a close look at it. Haven't invested in it yet, but I'm taking a close look following these results here. Next up, Medoro Resources trades on the TSX Big Board, MRS. They announced that they filed an updated 43-101 resource estimate on their Marmato project in Colombia. That deposit currently has a measured and indicated resource of about 6.6 million ounces of gold, inferred resource about 3.2 million ounces, plus on the silver side, 37 million ounces of measured and indicated, and 22 million ounces of inferred silver resources. Great numbers there. Their primary focus, as you can imagine, is developing a large-scale open-pit silver mine at Marmato, gold and silver mine, at the Marmato project in Colombia. They closed yesterday 242, 52-week range, $1.66 on the high, low, 285 on the high, so they're definitely trading in the higher ranges there. Market cap of $340 million. Congrats to my friend Greg DiTomaso and his team over at Medoro. Finally, Atacama Pacific Gold trades on the venture under ATM. They announced that they drilled, amongst other things, 208 meters, grading 0.6 grams per ton of gold. These are continued, according to the company, positive drill assay results from their Phase 2 program underway at their 100% owned Cheto Matacunga gold project in Chile. Here's some of the highlights. Hole 25, 254 meters, 0.57 grams of gold. Hole 28, 208 meters, 0.6 grams. Hole 22, 76 meter, 0.77 grams. They've got some other results in there. Go take a look. Closed yesterday at $4.30. 52-week high, $4.30. Shareholders have got to be happy there. 52-week low, $2.65. Now, that sounds like a big number, $4.30. You may have missed out on this. What I like about this, market cap, $112 million. They're really reasonable on its face. You got to do your own due diligence. But what I'm seeing here, really reasonable. So congratulations to Carl Hansen and his team over at Atacama. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. If you want those Chinese stories, get into transecurities.com. In about a half hour, we'll have those there as well. In the meantime, if you've been watching this on Globe Investor and you want to find more companies we've covered over the past few days, exciting companies, look below me or to the left of me, depending on the page you're on, to see the companies we've discovered over the past few days. Otherwise, get stuff to the front page of AGORACOM if you're not already there. Watch the show on a daily basis. If you can't, watch through our syndication partners at YouTube, iTunes, your preferred video provider. Take a look at the best headlines out of this industry over the past few days and get yourself into the marketplace to discover your next great small cap company. That's a wrap. Have an amazing weekend. For all our Canadian friends, have an amazing long weekend. Enjoy your families on Monday. That's the point. It's Family Day. We won't be broadcasting a show, so join us on Tuesday. Have a great weekend. Have a great day. See you then.